Taeyeon from Top 2. I'd like to talk about understanding numbers. The numerals we use today are called Arabic numerals. They are the 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The Arabic numerals are based on decimal system, but sometimes we encounter Roman numerals. The Roman numerals were used by the Romans. These were actually not numbers, but the letters were symbols that were used to represent numbers. The letters and numbers that they represented were this. To make larger numbers, there were two rules. If the same or smaller letter comes after the larger one, you should add their values together. A letter cannot repeat more than 3 times. If the smaller letter comes right before the larger one, you should subtract the smaller one from the larger one. These were very extremely complicated and made doing math problems very difficult. Let's learn more about numbers. The numbers can be positive or negative. We can show them on the number line. The numbers to the right of 0 are positive and the numbers to the left of 0 are negative. The number 0 is neither negative nor positive. We call these numbers whole numbers or integers. Numbers with decimals, fractions, or mixed numbers are not the whole numbers. Integers farther to the right of number line are greater, and integers farther to the left on the number line are less. A positive integer is always greater than a negative integer. Another way to divide numbers is to categorize them as even and odd numbers. Even numbers are any numbers ending 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and odd numbers are any numbers ending 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Thank you for listening.